Hi, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can fix this PS4 controller. So the first thing you're going to need is a PS4 controller and the charger, like so. You want to connect the charger like so. The micro USB part into your PS4 controller. And you see, on the back, this light bar right here on the back will not turn on cause the PS4 controller ain't working like so. You see, and the PS4 ain't even turning on. So next, what you want to do is keep the cable on and grab a little pin and on the back there should be a reset button right there. This button right there. You want to get a pin like so and push it in so you can reset the PS4 controller. You see right there? We resetted the PS4 controller. Now what you want to do is hit the PS button. And that might help with fixing your PS4 controller if it ain't charging or if it ain't turning on. But for me, look, it's not turning on. Now what you want to do is disconnect the charger, and on the back, right here you should see, on the back, right here you should see 4 screws. But for me, they're out, because I took them out, so I wouldn't have to unscrew them in the video. Right here, there's 4 screws, one right here, right here, right here, and right here. What you want to do is take those screws out, and once you've taken the screws out, you want to open the PS4 controller. For you, it might be stuck a bit, so what you can do is use a flathead screwdriver to pry it open. But what you want to do is grab the bottom part, the black part of the PS4 controller, and you want to go like this. You see, it opened. The first thing you want to do is disconnect this ribbon cable like so. And disconnect the battery, because we're going to do another step. This step will be removing the ribbon cable right here. Because that might help it. What you want to do now is take the black part out of your PS4 controller. The battery compartment. Like so, and what you want to do now is grab some needle nose pliers or tweezers and try to disconnect this part, but you do not need that right now. You can just take it out with your fingers. You see right there. Now what you want to do is put in the battery and the ribbon cable back to see if it turns on. Now, what you want to do is get the charger to the PS4 and put it in. And now what you want to do is press the PS button again to make sure it works. But you see right there, it's not working. Now, what you want to do is disconnect the battery again, and what we're going to be doing is changing out the battery. I'll leave links to where you can buy these products online. Now you want to change the battery out like so. Change the battery to make sure the charger will work. Now press the PS button once you change the battery out, and you see it's still not working. Now what we're going to be doing is changing this part, the charging port, out of the PS4 controller now. Now what you want to do is disconnect the PS4 controller and take the ribbon cable out. And you see right here. You see right here. The ribbon cable is messed up on on the cable, because one of the pins got disconnected or removed or got scratched off. So that's why we're going to remove it. Now what you want to do is get your PS4 controller and take out all the parts for the battery. For the adapter right here that charges the controller. Take all the pieces out like so. And now once you taken them out, you want to take this screw right here that's out, because we're going to be using the same screw for the new part. Now once you've taken it out, you want to see right here on the back, right here, there should be a little number, a number that says JDS 030 right there. That JDS 030 number, that model number will help you buy the exact same adapter that charges like this charging controller on Amazon or eBay. That will help you. So remember that number when you're trying to replace this one. Now what we want to do is grab the new one right here, because you see I got a new one right here. And what you want to do is replace it right now. Replace it onto the back of the board where the triggers are. You want to replace it by putting it in like so. Put it with the charging port facing down like so. Make sure it is firm when trying to put it in. Like so. It ain't in yet because it's not firm. Now you see it's in, and you want to grab this screw right here to make sure that it fits. Put it in the hole where you took out the screw, like so. Grab your screwdriver and screw in that little screw. Make sure it doesn't come out like it came out on me. Now you want to screw it in. Like so. Screw it in so it's tight. Screw it in till you can't screw it in anymore, or till it's snug. Like so. And now what we can do is put all these plastic pieces back to this controller. Like so. Put this clear plastic piece first. This plastic piece goes on the bottom, like so. Like so. Now you want this cover piece, and then this black piece to go, this white piece to go on that covers this. Like so. Like so. Now what you want to do is with the same battery you left in when you changed it out, is you want to keep the battery in. Now what you want to do is put this ribbon cable back in on the bottom, like so, to this port right there. And see right there, the ribbon cable, it's back in. And put this little plastic battery piece back in. That helps the battery so it don't move. Put it back in, like so. Now put the battery in, like so. and you want to put the ribbon cable on this ribbon cable onto this port right here. Make sure you don't damage any of the ribbon cable connections inside, because when you mess it up, it won't work anymore. Now, what you want to do is once you connected the ribbon cable to the controller, is you want to get your charger and connect it like I am, and then press the PS button. You see, the PS4 controller turns on. Because you see, it's charging and the TV is turning on like so. And you should hear the PS4 console turning on too. Now what you want to do is I'm going to show you that it works. Cause you see, you see right there? I'm controlling it with this same controller that we just fixed. You see, right here, I'm gonna disconnect the charger, and it's gonna say that I need to charge it. You see, DualShock battery low. You see right there, it's gonna say DualShock battery low, cause I need to charge it. Look, I'll show you one more time. Then it should say battery low. You see right there, DualShock 4 battery level low. Now, what you want to do is put those 4 screws that you took out of your PS4 controller back onto your PS4. Once you've closed the PS4 controller like so. Like so, you want to close it up, because for me, right here on the bottom, I need to push it in, because the plastic for the battery is broken. And you see right there, this should be a little gouge, because the battery won't fit in it that well. Now you see the PS4 controller is closed up, and you want to put the 4 screws back in. So that's it for this video, guys. Please like and subscribe for more how-to videos like these ones. Bye.